Good morning students. Today we will study about prime numbers and composite number. In your class 4 also beta you have studied this. So first of all we will start with prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. It means the numbers which are divisible only by 1 and itself. They are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. This list will keep on continuing. 2. You can take example of 2. 2 comes only in the table of 1 and 2. Example of 3. 3 also comes in the table of 1 and 3. And for example 11. 11 also comes in the table of 1 and 11. It means these numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. They are called prime numbers. What are composite numbers? The numbers other than prime numbers are called composite. So you can say the numbers which have more than two factors are called composite number. For example 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on. You can take example of 6. In which table 6 comes? 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. So its factors are more than 2. Take example of 9. In which table 9 comes? 9 comes in the table of 1, 3 and 9. So 9 is also a composite number. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. So students, do you know, if we talk about 1, what is 1? 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is a special number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. What is 2? 2 is prime number. What is 3? 3 is also a prime number. What is 5? 5 is prime number. What is 4, 6, 8, 10? These are composite numbers. Now we will study about co-prime numbers. A pair of numbers not having any common factor other than 1. It means the number which have only one common factor, that is 1. For example, 15 and 16 are co-prime because the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what is the common factor here? The common factor is only 1. If the two numbers have only one common factor, that is 1, so they are called co-prime. One more term is there, that is twin prime. A pair of prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. These numbers have composite numbers in between. The number, for example, 5 and 7. 5 and 7, they differ by 2. It means the difference between them is 2. And they have one composite number in between them. But what is the number between 5 and 7? It is 6, and that is composite number. So students, now we will start our exercise. Now we will start our exercise 3.1. First question is, which of the following numbers are prime numbers? Some numbers are given to you and you have to tell which are the prime numbers. First number is 2. What is 2? 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, which is 1 and itself. What is 12? 12 is a composite number because it has more than two factors. For example, 12 comes in the table of 3, 12 comes in the table of 4, 12 comes in the table of 2 and 6. So 12 is a composite number. What is 17? 17 is a prime number. What is 19? 19 is also a prime number. 24, it is composite. All the even numbers are composite numbers. You have to learn this. You have to remember this thing, that all the even numbers are composite numbers. But all the odd numbers are not necessarily prime. It is not necessary that all odd number are prime. For example, 9. 9 is an odd number, but it is not prime. So, but it is confirmed that all even numbers are composite numbers. So, what are the prime numbers here? 2 is prime, 17 is prime, 19 is prime, 37 is prime, composite, composite, composite. This is also composite, and 97. This is a prime number. These rest of these number comes in table of any number and they have more than 2 factors. But the prime numbers, they come only in their own table and the table of 1. It means they have only 2 factors. Now, which are composite number? Out of these number you have to tell which are composite. This is prime. So, 35 is composite. Next, 42 is also composite. 48 is composite. 51 is 17 3 is a 51 is 66 11 6 it is also composite. It is also composite. 99 and 100. These all numbers are composite. Now next question is write all the prime numbers between 60 and 85. You have to write the numbers between these two numbers that are only prime numbers. So look here. Write all the prime numbers between 60 and 85. After 60 comes 61. It is prime. 62 composite. 63 composite. 64 composite. 65 composite. 66 composite. 67 does not come in any of the table except 1 and itself, so this is prime. And so on, we will complete our list up to 85. So last prime number is 83. These are the prime numbers between 60 and 85 which have only 2 factors, so they are prime. Next is 10 and 55. What comes after 10? 11. 11 is prime. What is after 11? 12. 12 is composite because 12 comes in the table of 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the next number? 13. 13 does not come in any of the table except 1 and itself. So this is prime number. Then 14. 14, 2 sevens are 14. So this is composite. In simple language you can say कि जो नंबर किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता, सिर्फ अपनी और 1 की टेबल में आता है, वो प्राइम है. जो किसी दूसरे नंबर की टेबल में आता है, दैट इज ओनली कंपोजिट. सो आफ्टर 14 इज कंपोजिट. 14 के बाद क्या आता है? 15. इन विच टेबल, नंबर टेबल इट कम्स? 3 5s are 15. So 15 is also composite. Then 16. 2 8s are 16. This is also composite. Then 17. 17 does not come in any of the table except 1 and itself. So it is prime. 18. What is 18? 2 9s are 18. So it is composite. Then 19 is prime. 20 comes in the table of 2, 5, 4, 21. It is also composite because 3 7s are 21. 22. It is also composite because you can say 11 2s are 22. Then 23. It does not come in any of the table. So 23 is prime number. And in the same way you will keep on counting the numbers up to 55. So these are the prime numbers between 10 and 55. Students, now our next question is, you have to check the divisibility by 3. Yesterday we have done the divisibility by 2, 5 and 10. For 2, last digit should be even number. For 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. And for 10, last digit should be 0. Now we will check the divisibility by 3. This is a new condition, new divisibility rule. You have to listen very carefully, beta. 512. For 3, we will find the sum of the digits. These are the digits. 5, 1, 2. These are the digits. We will add them. Sum of digits. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 8. If 8 is divisible by 3, tell me, 8 is divisible by 3? No. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Next number is 81. So what is the divisibility condition for 3? We will find the sum of digits. What is the digit? 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. So 81 is also divisible by 3. Next question, 1331. Find the sum of digits. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. It is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Next number is 43,215. Sum of digits. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. What is their sum? It is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Tell me. Yes, 3 5s are 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Now the next number, in this case also we will find the sum of the digits. It is 21. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes. How? 3 7s are 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So beta, you will complete this question.